If you're affiliate marketing, still sending people directly to an affiliate offer, you could be missing out on hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in commissions. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually build a bridge page, why you need a bridge page, what is a bridge page, and how you can actually use it to get at least 10 times the commission that you're currently getting off new offers. Plus, if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to share with you a strategy that can get you set up to start this in less than 10 minutes. So stick around, let's get right into the training because I don't want to take any more of your time. And remember, this is a professional training, so it's going to go fast, it's going to be enjoyable, but also it's going to be informative. And the cool thing is we're going to be able to take something like this, turn it into that, so that we can then sell something like this. Now, it could be your offer, it could be an affiliate offer, but the main part is it's something that will make you money. Now, we all know where the problems lie. The problems lie with people sending traffic directly to an affiliate offer, which results in lost commissions because they're not building their email list. So let's have a look and see what we can do to help bridge that gap. So now what we're going to do is we're going to send traffic to a free offer and then to a bridge page. Now, going on from that, once people land on the bridge page, what I want to do is I want to send them to an offer that I already have online. Now, this is a digital product, so people can enter in at $7. They'll purchase that, they'll get offered upsells all the way through as well. So when you actually look at it and you see the numbers, then it's very profitable to actually do it this way rather than just sending traffic directly to the offer itself. And this is the offer in question. So people can go ahead, get into the 10K per month method for about $7. I'm very happy with the actual page and the sales on it as well, because if I look at the stats, it will actually tell you that it's doing really well. So every time someone purchases, the average amount they spend is about $51. Okay, now I haven't promoted this very much, which is why the sales are very low. So what can I do to help improve it? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to send all the organic traffic that I'm getting from YouTube also on other platforms, whether it be TikTok, whether it be Instagram, or even Pinterest and Facebook Reels. I'm going to send that all the way to the front part of this funnel. When we talk about the front part, it's this here, to get a free ebook. Right now, what does that look like? Let's have a look and see what the page looks like here to get a free ebook. The main problem that I've got at the moment is that the opt-in page for the free ebook and the bridge page doesn't actually coincide with this page here. So if I go ahead and have a look at the the opt-in page here, right? So decent opt-in page, happy with that. But if I go to the bridge page, this is the bridge page. If you remember back here, this is the bridge page. And then if we go ahead to the actual sales page where you can actually put in your own affiliate offer or your own product, right? There's a disjointment because they don't look and feel the same. So while I don't want to change this page too much because I already like it and it's converting really well, in fact, close to 60% of the traffic which comes here. So 6 people out of every 10 which land on this page go ahead and put their details in here. Okay, right now, what can I do to improve it? I can update this video. It should be better than that. So that's one thing that I'll have in mind. But also as well, this video here on the bridge page, it doesn't send it to that offer right now. So luckily, I've actually just recorded that, so I should be able to replace that pretty easy. But I want this page to look much more like this, so that when people click through, they're familiar with it. The writing, fonts, the colors are the same, the background's the same. It's going to be less of a disjointment to get to the next step. So what I want to do is do it really quickly, and if you follow along, then you'll see how I do this. And of course, as I said before, if you want to get the actual share funnel, when I was talking about share funnel, which basically means you can actually get a copy of this one here. You can get a copy of this entire funnel, so you can just replace it with your own stuff. And then the bridge page itself, you can do that as well. All you need to do is click in the description of this video. There's going to be a link which will take you over to Clickfunnels where you can edit it and put in everything that you want. Just use this as a template. It works, it's proven, and it's good to go. Right, so we're gonna make sure that this whole bridge page, right, this offer to this bridge page is gonna look pretty decent. So first thing I wanna do is I wanna match the backgrounds, right? Because at the moment, the backgrounds do not match. So I'm gonna go into settings, I'm gonna hit background, and I'm gonna have a look and see what that is. I'm going to copy there, head over to this one, and I want background color, bang that in there, good to go. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a little play with this. I'm going to change the font, I'm going to change the colors so it all matches in nicely with what this is. And if you come back in a minute or so, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so I just took a couple of minutes doing that. Very simple and straightforward. So let's have a look at the results. So if you remember, what we did was we started out with this page, which is a free ebook, which sent them then to this page. And ultimately what I wanted them to do was go over here. However, that didn't look too great. So let's have a look and see what we ended up with. People go from here, and now they go to here, updated video, updated button, and it's important to note that you can actually put like a tracking link on these buttons as well, so you can find out not only how many people actually landed on the page, so you know that from your opt-in stats, but you can also then have a third-party click tracker to be showing you how many people that landed on this page actually then went and got the offer. So if you are running traffic in multiple ways, you know exactly where that traffic's come from. So if people click this red button here, you know that they are going from this opt-in funnel, which is your bridge page, and then ultimately leading on from here, like I said, to the bridge page. They're clicking that button there, and then they're going on to here. And of course, the nice thing is that I know that on average, people are spending around $50 if they decide to go ahead and make a purchase. So what else could it tell me? Well, it tells me this here, which is 4% sales rate. Now that means for every 25 people that comes to the page are making a purchase of $51. Now, this might not seem that important to begin with, but if you're doing organic traffic, that's great. If you want to scale up and start using paid traffic, you now know how much you can spend and still break even, and in fact, actually make more money. Now, hopefully that was informative and it's going to help you. All the links to everything, the templates, the whole shooting match are down in the description. And of course, this is still part of a series helping you on your passive income journey. So if you're ready to take the next step, then go ahead and click this video, because now we can get into the serious stuff, which is making even more money for you.